Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both files. Open the Excel workbook and the PowerPoint deck. Make sure the Excel sheet with your dashboard is saved in a stable folder so links won't break later. Once done, decide whether you need a live link chart that updates when Excel changes or an embedded snapshot that stays fixed. You'll use copy from Excel and paste special in PowerPoint. The choice you make now determines the next steps and how updates flow between files. Now you perform the linking action. In Excel, select the chart or range you want to appear, then copy. Switch to PowerPoint, choose the target slide, and use Paste Special. Select Paste Link and pick Microsoft Excel Chart or Worksheet Object. This creates a dynamic link so updates flow. Once inserted, position and resize the object. Make sure to lock aspect ratio if needed. If you inserted a linked worksheet range, double-clicking lets you edit the source from PowerPoint. That keeps your dashboard consistent. Finish by saving both the Excel and PowerPoint files, then test the connection. Change a value in Excel, save, and reopen PowerPoint to confirm the linked object updated. If links break, go to File, right arrow Info, right arrow Edit Links to Files or Link Options, and relink to the correct workbook path. Relative paths help if you move folders. Make sure recipients have access to the source file. Otherwise, paste as an embedded snapshot for portability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.